In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward emails into Slack. This process is a great way to streamline your communications by having important emails delivered directly to your Slack workspace, allowing you to keep everything organized in one place. Before we dive into the details, let's make sure you're signed in and ready to go. First, open your Slack application. Once you have Slack open, you'll need to sign in if you haven't already done so. You can do this by entering your email and password, or you can use single sign-on options with Google or Apple. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Slack workspace. Next, navigate to the bottom left corner of the Slack window where you'll find your profile photo or initial. Click on it and a small menu will appear. From this menu, you'll need to select Preferences. This will open up your Slack preferences, where you can customize various settings. Navigate to the Messages and Media tab within Preferences. This section is where you manage how messages and media are handled in your Slack workspace. Look for the option to get a forwarding email address. Click on Get a Forwarding Address to generate a unique email address for your Slack workspace. This will be the address to which you'll forward your emails. With your forwarding address in hand, the next step is to open your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, look for the gear icon in the top right corner, which will lead you to the Settings menu. Within Settings, you'll find several tabs. Select the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. This section allows you to manage how incoming emails are filtered. To create a filter, click on Create a New Filter. Here, you'll paste the forwarding address you generated from Slack into the To field. Doing this ensures that emails sent to this address are forwarded to your Slack workspace. After pasting the address, click Create Filter to move to the next step. You'll be prompted to select an outcome for incoming mails that match your search criteria. You'll have several options to choose from, such as skipping the inbox or marking the message as read. These options help keep your Gmail inbox clean while still allowing the email to be forwarded to Slack. Once you've made your selection, click Create a Filter to finalize the process. And that's it. You've successfully set up email forwarding to your Slack workspace. By following these steps, you can ensure that important communications are effectively integrated into your daily workflow, keeping all your key correspondences in one convenient location. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.